In this video, we're going to go over a really fun instrument. This is the Kala. Oh, like this. This is their new Learn to Play Concert Ukulele Elvis. Elvis. This one is the Rockabilly one. All right, so welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're new to the channel, you haven't done so already, please subscribe as we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. How cool is that? Super cool. Thank you for being part of it. Also, if you're on Instagram, you can follow me over there at ukelikethepros. So these are brand new. Actually, when I first saw them, I didn't order any. And then some of my team was like, you got to get those Elvis ones in. They look so cool. And I did, and I don't regret it because these things are very, very cool ukuleles and a fantastic price. I'm going to do a little playing in this video. We're going to go over some of the specs as well. All right, let me do a little bit more playing. All right, so that was, by the way, Can't Help Falling in Love. So you might as well do an Elvis song if you're going to be playing an Elvis ukulele. So these things are great as a beach ukulele. These are great as a starter ukulele. This is your first ukulele. This is a ukulele if you're just like Elvis. This is just a cool ukulele just to have as part of your collection, okay? You'll find yourself grabbing it because actually, I shouldn't say actually, but it sounds, it sounds great besides looking really cool. So you got this Elvis motif. By the way, this is all mahogany. It's a laminate mahogany. But you got this cool Elvis rockabilly motif. This is kind of like the start. This is like 50s Elvis here. And then you just have the mahogany sides. It's nice and thick here. Though actually, I think that helps with the sound. And then the mahogany back as well. And by the way, this one just has like a nice kind of satin. Just not really even satin, just yeah, I guess satin. That's a good word for it. Right? Satin finish on it. You have the mahogany neck on it. Now, oh yeah, you got the Elvis signature right here. And by the way, this is a pack, so you're going to get a few things included with the pack. So you do get the box, kind of cool matching box that goes along with it, and also you get the Kala. Whoops, there you go. The Kala headstock tuner that goes with it. And then this one comes with, well, there's 3 models, by the way, but this one's a Rockabilly one. It comes with the Rockabilly book, and then inside of it has some Elvis songs that you can learn how to play as well. So, and then also you're going to get the ukelikethepros Advantage. I'll talk about that in a second. Just that alone is going to more than pay for this ukulele right here. But anyway, let me do a little playing. This thing sound. By the way, it does have a strap button already in the back. And what else was I going to say? Has a high G. This one has a high G. Now, a couple of measurements you want to know. Right here, the nut width is, this is a concert. I think I mentioned that. If I didn't, it's a concert, but 1 3/8, which is very common for a concert ukulele. The overall scale length, as you measure that from the inside of the nut to the inside of the saddle, is 14 3/4 inches. So anyway, great scale length. Light, easy to hold, easy to play. It sounds big, and I think that's because you have the pretty wider body here. But a lot of fun. Uke Like This Pros Advantage, I'm going to put some of the stuff you get below. But the main thing is that you get 3 months to my premium membership. That's going to pay for this ukulele right here. You're going to get 3 months of that. That's access to all my courses, every single course that I have up there. You're going to learn a bunch on there. The weekly Q&As, video calls with me and other members, plus access to the member-only community where we give away ukuleles, challenges, different things that we do as well there. And then also just that community. It's such an amazing community, such amazing people. Some of those people have been with me from the very start when we started 3-4 years ago, and they're still with us and still helping the community grow. But that right there, the motivation, the inspiration, all the confidence you're going to gain from it right there. So that's included with this as well. So anyway, super cool instruments. Let me do one more thing. I got to do a blues before I let Elvis Rockabilly get out of here. Oh, yeah. So anyway, this is a Kala. Great job, Kala. On the, the official name, Kala-LTP, Learn to Play. That's why you get to tuner the book and all that stuff. Plus my courses, that's basically learn how to play as well. C, which is concert model. And then E, Elvis, RB, which is rockabilly. So anyway, this is very cool. Available at the #1 store online, which is store.ukelikethepros.com.